Boiler Room Boys. You know, shooting another video. It's another food review episode of Boiler Room Boys. Now, what most people may not know is Subway makes pizzas. Now, I know what you're thinking right now. In your head, you're like, Subway doesn't make pizza, stop lying. Well, this is a common misconception. Subway is actually a pizza place. You know, they didn't start out making subs, they started out making pizzas. And if you don't believe me, it's the best pizza right there. Next to the best pizza you've ever had. This is just as good. This right here, it's just as good. And I'll tell you why. You're going to the Subway, you're like, hey, give me a pizza. And they whip it out, you're like, all right, they'll slap it down a little thing. Like, all right, what do you want on it? And then you just point to what you want on it. And that works like a regular sub, you know. You can point to whatever they have on the other side, and you just slap it on a pizza. Today, I have gotten myself, one side is pepperoni with bacon, because, you know, I was feeling kind of bacony today. One side's pepperoni with bacon, the other side's just regular cheese. So let me lay down these napkins here. Oh, that's a good spread. Oh, gee. Oh, man, I wish I had my plastic car knife. Do I not? No, I guess I don't. There we go. That one pulled a little better. I mean, I wouldn't say it was a better pull. I'd say it was a less cheesy pull. But that's how you know. That's the quality goods right there. Right, so we're going to close that back up real quick. Take a bite of the cheese. There's a fly in here. You know, with the extra cheese I had them put on, this is a damn fine slice, if I do say so myself. But yeah, Subway is a pizza place. Every time I tell this to people, they're all confused and like, what? No, that's not a thing. And I was like, yeah, it is. It's Subway is a pizza place. They want to go over there to the gas station and get like a really, really bad tasting gas station pizza. I was like, hey, just go Subway, get a pizza. Shoo, fly, get out of here. Hey, just go to Subway, get a pizza. It's better. There's a fly. Get out. Let's go away, fly. Let's get that other slice out. It's got pepperoni and it's got bacon. Let's give her a taste before I end the video here. Overall good, you know. Crust is nice and soft. A bit crunchy on the crusty part, but the crust is supposed to be crunchy. The pepperoni is a bit soft. If you ask for bacon on top of it, it really holds together quite well. With that bacon on top. And as for the cheese half, you know, it's just a cheese. That's how it goes. It just tastes like cheese. Well, I'm gonna end this video there.